Hello, I'm Azadeh Moaseb, and in this video I want to show you a brief presentation of Session 3 from the course R for ZooArchaeology. In this session, we will talk about how to prepare and import our data in CSV, text, and Excel formats into R. Also, we will see how to install packages in R. Before importing our data into R, we will see how to set the working directory where our database is located. Then we will prepare our data properly in order to be compatible to import into R. We will see how to import CSV or comma-separated files into R, the commands that we can use, and the parameters that we choose to execute a command. Then we will see how to import text files into R, the commands and the appropriate parameters that we choose to execute commands. And finally, we will assess how to import data from Excel format into R. At the same time, we learn different methods to install a package, and we will install a package step by step as an example. We will then see how to find the Excel sheet names, how to import a range of rows, how to remove rows that contain missing data, how to sort our data, and so on. The presentation of the contents of all sessions is available under the playlist R for ZooArchaeology on my channel. I hope to see you in the R course for ZooArchaeology. Thank you for watching.